Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Kerbal Space Program. We will begin by exploring the vehicle assembly building, where you construct your first rocket. Familiarize yourself with the launch pad controls, including throttle and staging. Your initial goal is to achieve a stable ascent into the atmosphere, reaching an altitude of at least 70,000 meters. Remember to manage your fuel carefully and deploy parachutes for a safe return. This foundational knowledge is crucial for all future missions. Now, let's master orbital mechanics, which is key to space travel. Understand apopsis and periapsis, the highest and lowest points of your orbit. To achieve a stable orbit, you'll need to burn prograde at your apopsis until your periapsis is above 70,000 meters. Utilize maneuver nodes to precisely plan your burns, ensuring efficient fuel usage. This skill allows you to stay in space indefinitely and prepare for journeys beyond Kerbin. With orbital mechanics understood, it's time to venture further. Your first targets are Kerbin's moons, the Mun and Minmus. Planning your transfer requires understanding transfer windows, specific times for efficient burns. Use maneuver nodes to set up and intercept, then perform an orbital insertion burn upon arrival. Finally, master the delicate art of landing by carefully managing your thrust and descent rate. Success here opens up the entire Kerbal system. As you progress, explore more advanced rocket designs, incorporating features like multiple stages and specialized engines. Don't forget to conduct science experiments on your missions. The data collected unlocks new parts and capabilities in the research and development facility. Challenge yourself with docking maneuvers to build space stations or plan ambitious expeditions to distant planets like Duna. The Kerbal universe offers endless possibilities for exploration and engineering.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.